Now, this message is for His Excellency, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. All protocols duly observed. Sir, I understand the fact that you do not want a protest in Nigeria. But then, all you need to be doing as our president, sir, is to come on national TV and address us. And telling us the measures you are taking to getting foodstuff back to its normal state. A lot of people are complaining. There is hunger in the land. And as a president to his citizens, all we need now is to hear from you so that everybody will calm down. The sole reason for this protest that they are planning for is for people to voice out, lay their complaints so that there can be solution. And it's a good thing that the government is seeing the plans for protest, because the main reason is for us to come and talk about how tired we are of how things are going haywire. That means you're already seeing the plans. So what is the plan that you people are putting in store to listen to our plea? Because you know they affect both the rich and the poor. Me, I don't even come there for the rich category. I there for the poor masses. Because you don't get any work while they do. If it was passed like this, So please, sir, instead of trying to sabotage whatever they are trying to do, you have seen the reason for the protest. What are the measures you are taking to provide solution for the reason for the protest? That is my question right now, Mr. President. Please, sir, with all due respect, I beg. I'm not trying to be disrespectful. But, sir, what are the measures you're taking? Come to us. Tell us. Talk to us like your children, because we are your children, sir. You are,